Doha Bank Investors Presentation, Q1 2021. Let's look at the highlights of the macroeconomics and then Doha Bank overview, operational and financial highlights, sustainable performance. Qatar state budget has been quite productive, 194 billion expenditure. There's a deficit taking oil at $40, but we know the oil is going to sustain $55 to $60 at an average. Now, we have already seen nearly 30% hike in oil price, 12% hike in natural gas. So definitely the budget will be a current account surplus and a fiscal surplus. Now, if you look at the breakdowns in terms of various sectors, that's all quite interesting. The government projects are all going for urban development, hydrocarbon as well as non-hydrocarbon. Sovereign rating is holding good, highest rating. When it comes to gas reserves, Qatar has got nearly 25 billion cubic meters of reserves, and oil reserves nearly 25 billion barrels of proven oil reserves. Now we are expecting nearly the projects projected for this year is going to be a stimulator. Now we are seeing around 2.5% minimum growth, inflation around 2%, population will hold good at 2.75. Now GDP per capita will be, as per the GDP projected, will be around $60,000. Now we have also non-oil revenues which are helping. So there are many opportunities in terms of allocation of the budget. It's for municipality and environment, defense and security, transportation and communication, and again sports and culture, education, health. These are the areas considerable outlay has been earmarked. FIFA 2022 is a great excitement for all of us, and 2030 Asian Games is also coming up. As an institution, Doha Bank, we have leveraged on COVID-19 government national guarantee program. And that's an enabler. That was support systems for us to have business continuity for all our relationship in the market by giving liquidity, by giving small and medium-sized entrepreneurs with the Apex Bank, Qatar Development Bank supporting joint risk participation to supplement additional advantage like rental waiver, incentives, wage protection. Everything has been given so that they can continue to be operational in the market. Now, government has earmarked concessional advantage in many fees and tariffs. Now, installments have been postponed, interest has been postponed now up to September this year, 2021. Now, as a financial institution, Doha Bank has put 5R strategy. What are they? Rationalization, revenue enhancement, restructuring, remedial management, and remodeling of the business. Most important thing. Hydrocarbon growth is going to be phenomenal. We all know that's going to trigger 77 to 110, 110 to 125 by 2026-27. That is North Field East and North Field South projects. Doha Bank founded in 1979, listed on the Qatar Exchange. Now full branch operations in Qatar and UAE. Now the relationships are normalized. India, we have Mumbai, Chennai and Cochin and Kuwait. The largest international network representation among various countries where Qatar has got linkage. China, Shanghai and Hong Kong, Canada, Turkey, Singapore, Germany, Japan, the United Kingdom, South Korea, South Africa, Bangladesh, Australia, Sri Lanka and Nepal. Now the brokerage and financial service associates we have in India, very small investments. We have Shirk Insurance Company, 100% owned by the insurance company. Client base more than 450,000. We have 24 domestic branches, 3 electronic branches, and 2 branch pay offices and nearly 90 ATMs. Our ratings are second to none and it's moving in the right direction. Let's look at the highlights of the the overall key ratios. Total equity to total assets 12.4%, net loans to total assets 63%, net loans to total deposits 111%, non-performing loans 5.67%, cost of risk 1.36%, cost to income 26.5%, net interest margin 2.51%, risk-weighted assets 72 billion, CET 13%, Tier 1 18.53%, capital adequacy ratio 19.69%. Our vision to be recognized as a bank of choice in Qatar, and mission, we strive to become a platform for innovation in financial services and deliver superior customer experience using technology innovations and embrace a wider partner ecosystems. And when it comes to values, performance excellence, ethics, people, teamwork, quality, professionalism, that's the best. Guiding principles: customer experience, empowerment and accountability, talent management, cost reductions, revenue enhancement, risk and capital management, deregulation, automation and innovation. Doha Bank is committed to environmental, social and governance sustainable practice, FTSE 4, MSCI ratings, UN Global Compact 20 years, Qatar Stock Exchange. So all these are very important. Wholesale is doing on the corporate and commercial banking, structured finance, public sector finance, mortgage finance, real estate finances, trade finance, factoring services and small and medium-sized entrepreneurs. Now when it comes to international, provides a range of products and services including guarantees, letter of credit, risk mitigation, discounting products and risk participation in international trade. Now Treasury Investments responsible for activities such as foreign exchange, treasury products and managing the bank's proprietary investment books. Retail provides a wide range of products and services to individuals including transactions, current account, call account, priority banking, private banking, insurance, personal loans and credit cards, I should say. Now, Shirk Insurance, established in 2007, 100% owned and is there, but digitization is taking a big leap. Significant growth in e-commerce and shift to digital from brick to click. Innovative payment solutions is going in the right direction. That's very important. Now, long-standing experience lending to key sectors, we are absolutely on track. Now, well-experienced banking franchise, well-experienced executive management team. Now, strong investment grade, improved funding diversification. Now, clear, sustainable and digital strategy. Sustainability strategy, digital strategy. High quality securities portfolio comprising mostly Qatar's sovereign debt, solid capital position and healthy liquidity buffers. Now, when it comes to financial performance, 17.3% is the performance track in terms of the profit which we have done compared to last year, and 21% net interest income high. The operating income is up by nearly 10.5%. So it's all intact. We are moving in the right direction. Corporate banking, nearly 19.2 billion in terms of real estate. Contract financing, 5.8 billion. The trade, we have 11.3 billion. Qatari Riyal services, we have almost 10 billion. A significant contributor to the total income of the bank. Evolved to be one of the core competencies of the bank and target local and international corporates, a well-diversified portfolio focused on private sectors. That is the development. Credit quality is moving in the right direction, 5.67%. Now the blockade is removed. Because of the blockade we had additional write-offs done, cross-border risk and counterparty risk. We have on legal recourse. At the same time, we have pre-blockade level of 3% or below is what we want to achieve in the next 2 years' time. Net impairment and cost of risk is 1.36 because of the impending provision we have done. Total reserves, if you look at divided by the impaired loans, it's moving in the right direction. Credit quality, main issue was on the contract financing, that is around 11.6%. Retail is around 5.4% non-performing book, and real estate is around 1.8%. Corporate is around 11.4%. Major non-performing book is GCC, India around 6%, 6% is GCC. Qatar is around 3.7%, consolidated 5.7%. So GCC branches sharing significant high NPLs. Now, high corporate and contract NPL, we need to bring it down. So when it comes to diversity in loan book, deposit books, we have corporate book nearly 48%. And when it comes to government, we have significant 37%. Now individuals around 16%. And that shows the composition by customer, sectors. When you look at now trade, government-related enterprises, services, again, non-banking finance are all important. Now, foreign books are very limited in the cross borders. Again, when it comes to type, it's corporate, government-related enterprise, and retail. When it comes to deposits, total deposits, current account, call deposits, savings account, all these splits are very vital to see through. Investment book has been a good trend. Corporate investment philosophy. Now we managed to have 3.71% return, and majority of the portfolio in local sovereign debt. Qatar 77%. Qatar banks again nearly 10.2%. Now when it comes to the additional tier 1, we have from the pension funds and investment breakdown. If you look at it, you have available for sale as well as hold to maturity. We have reasons to believe investment portfolio will grow this year in the coming days on account of the bigger market opportunity. Liquidity and capitalization, we are solid. Customer deposits 58%, due to banks nearly 19%, equity stands nearly 13%, other borrowings around 8%, loan to deposit ratio 11%, net interest margin 2.51%, capital ratios are all well intact as I already outlined. Sustainable performance, recognition on Global Sustainable Golden Peacock Award, plus the electronic commerce, we have excelled very many recognitions. So we are in the right directions to make sure we have sustainable journey and a good direction. And that's what challenging times or changing times, we want to be with our relationship. We want to maintain a balanced growth to see that our performance is second to none for the past, present, and future as well.